Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Andi Sri Astika Wahyuni with ABAs 19I. In this time, I want to explain my result of research with the title is Conceptual Change Text-Based Analogy Model to Remedy Misconceptions on Eyes Optics. The first is about introduction. Misconceptions are defined as misunderstandings that may occur during or as a result of the teaching that has just been given, as opposed to scientific conceptions that have been brought or developed over a long time. This error can be caused by the student's own understanding. The misconceptions that occur in students are caused by many factors. The art of quality of teaching and learning process, in addition to coming from students, misconceptions can also be influenced by the way the teacher delivers. The teaching methods used are inaccurate, wrong textbooks, or others. In addition, the cause of misconceptions in physics lesson is because there are many formulas that are related to one another, and the students cannot connect them properly. And one material that is difficult to understand in basic physics, the RA optics. So that in my research question, based on introduction that has been described, the problem in this study was how to develop a lecture model using an analogy model-based conceptual change text to remediate the misconceptions of pre-service teacher about eyes optics in physics. And the purpose of research is to describe the conceptual change of pre-service teachers after being taught using an analogy model based on conceptual change text about eyes optics in physics. The next is about literature review. The first is definition of misconception. Misconception by some experts is defined in different terms. Some use the term misunderstanding, misinterpretation of fact, and naive belief. And in general, misconception is defined as a difference in a concept or idea that is built by students' own way of thinking with the ideas of teachers and scientists working in understanding scientific concepts. Causes of misconceptions. There are misconceptions sourced from students, from teachers, and misconceptions sourced from textbook, from context, and a misconception is sourced from the teaching method. The next about analogy model. Analogy is described by transferring ideas or comparisons from known concepts to unknown concepts. The known concept is called the analogy and the unknown concept is called the target. And the teaching with analogy model is a learning model that provides guidelines for using analogies in learning. In this model, ideas from a concept that is familiar or analog to students are transferred to ideas that are not familiar or target. Is the analog and the target share some similarity, and analogy can be drawn between the ideas. Conceptual change text can be defined as texts that are made in such a way that they are written in the form of teaching materials that can cause reader dissatisfaction with their preconception and can instill new conceptions that are easy to understand, can be accepted, and are felt to be useful for solving the problems. Research method. My research has designed use a qualitative approach with the subject were service teacher who was student of basic physics at one of the university in Makassar city. The initial information obtained are problems related to student conception and misconception about ice optics in physics by using open-ended question on the worksheet of explicit past. And analysis of the test result based on the result of the worksheet or of exploration phase found in the file. They will be analyzed to determine what concepts are misconceptions. Then by using the conceptual chain text are carried out as a step to remediate misconceptions. The last step is to provide a worksheet of concept application with open-ended question to describe the conception of pre-service teacher about concept from a misconception to a scientific concept. The result indication, dominant form of misconception. The first is students are difficult to understand that the eye is natural optical instrument. They tend to better understand the working principle of artificial optical instruments such as cameras, loupe, microscope, binoculars, etc. Because it is easier to observe the object, to recognize the parts of the optical instruments. The second is students understand that art is a biological study, which is one part of the body and the five senses. They do not understand the eyes as an optical instrument that can detect light and how the eyes itself can see objects as a result of the light reflecting process that occurs in the eyes. The third is students in determining the nature of the image formed in the eyes is written based on the experience of seeing in everyday life, namely real upright equals in size. In fact, if it is depicted using a grape using the principle of the passage of light, then the nature of the image formed on the edge is real, inverted, and reduced. The last is students determine the type of lens that can be used by people with eye defect, not by first determining the strength of the lens, but by determining the type of eye defect suffered. For example, nearsighted people or hypermetropia use glasses with concave lens, and people with farsightedness or myopia use convex lens, so that when they encounter problems in the application of concept to determine the strength of the lenses of people with eye defect, both nearsighted and farsighted, they tend to be wrong because they do not pay attention to the use of a negative sign or the object's image distance within calculate mathematically. They immediately determine the power of the lens by solving it mathematically, and later at the end of the new solution, then they are given a mark based on the type of lens used for people with eye defect. This is a example my analogy model with a conceptual chain text, and this is a camera analogy to explain the process of image formation in the eyes optics. And the last is conclusion. Based on the result and discussion that have been described, it is concluded that pre-service teachers still have misconception about the concept eyes optics, and after being given treatment using conceptual chain text based on analogy model, it's found that pre-service teacher who experience misconception can turn into scientific conceptions. Choose the text of conceptual chains based on analogy model can be recommended to be used to remediate misconception, especially on the concept of age optic in physics. Thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.